A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Glorious, absolutely glorious. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. That was a moral victory for the bowler. That looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. And there comes the famous salute. Wonderful to watch. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. In the air. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. That's fiery from the bowler. nasty, right into the body. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. Lovely timing. Ball hitting the sweet spot. Last ball coming up. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. He didn't get any timing on that one. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Good shot for a single. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Spectacular catch. Perfectly timed his jump and made sure he held on to that one. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. That's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. Spinner brought back from the other end. And the batting power play comes to an end. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound of the bat. That was a stunning shot. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. It looks in good batting form. Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here. Oh, that must be out. Well, that is brilliant work. Chose the wrong fielder to take on. Decision goes to the third umpire. And yes, he gets his man. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. This is impressive captaincy, giving his bowler an attacking field. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.